So today I will be pranking Jenny. She's in the shower and I'm gonna prank her today. When was the last time we pranked her? Smile. It's just a prank. How does it feel to be and I'm actually making egg sandwich for her. And what I'm gonna do is pretend that I prepare her school lunch with rice and a fried octopus, which to me is very delicious. I just had that this morning, like just now. That's how I thought about this prank. Anyways, let's get started. Making her school lunch in here. Today's a short day, so she's just gonna have a egg sandwich, and then I'm gonna pretend that this is her actual school lunch. Bro, I'm gonna make up all kind of excuse or excuses for her to have octopus for lunch. I cannot wait to see her reaction. Attitude. Let's see how she reacts to the octopus. Okay. Well, even more like ahi from 7-Eleven, not ahi from my house. Spicy ahi from 7-Eleven. And I always record, so I think I'm gonna hide my phone, my camera.
One thing about her when she's in the shower, she takes so long. She sinks in there. She, I guess, stands.
Anyways, you get it? It's a cool David. What not get it? Eu ria favor. Nieve sotto nieve. Maga. You get it? Short day. Short day for them at school. Oh, not short, but like half day. Anyway. Should I make two? Or just one? Just one that I have grains for.
about to go down.
Mom, I'm not eating the lunch.
What?
It's octopus and rice. I don't like it. You already know.
Sikan, magagawa Tirok piras. Mitir. Kapusamat. Wake po putnya si Catherine.
I don't like it. Only you guys like it. I don't like anything like fish, octopus.
Esa pues si pata. Patsa pata recaparo sos nippats.
Okay, but it doesn't matter what should I like.
Ha?
Why does it matter what I want and then what I should like?
It matters. Kaya kapusama. Que posso snippets porque pode petze.
I'm not gonna eat it
Why?
because I don't like it.
Nevo krivo ka paro sos snippets pu pode petze na sikun. Hewer.
Well, I'm not you when you were a kid.
Que pode usipan.
Change it now.
Ewe tiruk. Wa tati autuk nore wa. Neneto sikan irau sum at smoga.
No. I'm not
Ewe
gonna
come
eat
la
it.
bara.
I don't like it.
Agira kom.
I'm gonna starve myself at lunch.
Nevo kriwe.
Yeah,
Irakan.
I'm not
Sama
your bro.
barakan. Wow, nippats pai potsot nesusor.
Well, I'm not you when you were little. Can you understand that?
Que potsot parusi puefi suk efi pata.
Because why do you want me to be like you?
Que
Then I don't want to eat.
Ira que posu kitsiro karawe sesari.
No,
Claro,
they don't
pues.
even like fish or whatever. We're gonna go to the 7-Eleven.
What?
Because I'm not gonna eat my lunch that you packed me.
Sasatutsak. Sasatutsak nevoga.
No.
Take a bite. Just take a bite of it.
Why do you think I will do
Pu ira potato pata. Muy
Mom,
muy
can you
tirmesa.
stop about, don't pata. Mom, I'm feed pata, but I don't like the food.
One like that food. You're originally from there, then you're gonna eat their food.
Well, still, I'm not, don't pata. Can you stop about it? What? I'm not made for them? No.
Mira que pues
No,
que
no.
se next year, que fitio se the race, you're gonna be the fastest. You just
You're
don't
just
know.
saying that because you want me to eat it.
No. Era potato pata.
Zapata. I don't
Yeah,
care.
I'm just saying. Zapata, see the funny. See the best.
I don't care. That's why I want something else. I don't like something like octopus.
Era può essere sario, no quiero sense.
Why do you think they're gonna come and eat my food? Huh?
Era può essere first time in history ever bought.
I don't care.
E poi so go cover. Meta I wairira che popo moga, porque porri.
I don't like it. Can you even understand what I don't like? I'm not gonna eat.
Irai poi peio e vet che poreri.
Ramen, rice, zuka. What? I don't have to eat octopus for my entire life.
Ewe nus mere cucurari pats che se oze. I
Because
work
you
hard
already-
for it.
Because you already know I don't like it, so why you cook it?
I know that you're gonna eat what I make for you. At least try. Try to eat it.
No.
Now what's a kepoto
I'm not
snippets?
gonna eat it. Can you stop already? Just go to the gas station and then I'll eat something else. I don't like octopus.
At least
Can
try.
you understand
Mira que
that?
po kasari.
I hate anything with octopus.
Tiene rique poto
No, I'm
snippets.
not.
I fried it so you like it. You know how I fried
Just
fish?
because it's fried, I don't like
You
it.
know how I like fried fish for you?
It's not basically fish.
At least try to eat it. Mira poco curry baba. Mira po ready.
Is she gonna force me to eat it through the phone?
No, po ready. Mamet mama giwa. Waro gene teneri school.
And then I'm not gonna eat it.
Mira po se papa.
You need to stop. If I don't like it, I don't like it. I'm not gonna eat it. You're gonna make me like it.
I swear, if you have at least a bite of it, you'll
No.
love it.
No. I'm not even gonna take a bite of it.
Just try, okay? But if you don't like it, don't open it, okay?
And then I'm gonna starve myself.
Kailangan may roots of grapes.
Do you think we only have snack?
Bob. Like, I have cookies, grapes. Ayer ako. Genereta. Puedes ir a, que puedes salir a ni pets, porque puedes. Okay. Eat the nippats, okay? For me. Just for me, please.
I'm gonna eat for you.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, come on. Sarane padre.
We're even trying to think about I'm gonna eat and then everyone's gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna eat. No, they don't like all
Saranim. Wait, say pukama. Ilave your sandwich. Okay? Que ça poisson. Okay? Mais. This was a prank. This was a prank.
Was it free?
Say, hey, Pat. You cried?
I will break this car.
You cried? Kesa poput ni Pat. Puberan na. Wait. Anything to say?
I'm gonna break this car.
Sakay fish. Say.
I'm gonna jump on it. Why do I look like that? My eyebrows are fixed.
Yeah. Say.
Notebook. Jenny! Jenny!
Kids, what are you doing? Later, mommy. At home? No, it's so much attacking. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. See you in the next video.